When a city water main broke in the area of the Mill Creek Landing apartments, it affected only the parking area and the lower lobby. The individual living units stayed dry. So everything's fine. Or is it?
So we got to take the stairs, which you can kind of see. We're like poke in and look up the stairs, and you're not going to see like anything. There's no damage to any of the living areas, but the damage to the actual building hit all of the electrical stuff, which means there's no power right now in the whole building.
So when you want to get into your unit, you, I guess, bring a flashlight along?
Yeah, I mean, I use the light on my phone. Most people have like little flashlights, but when I say there's no power, I mean there's no power. Like the little exit signs above doors, those aren't on. The emergency lights aren't running. The actual like fire alarm system, that's not on right now. There is no power whatsoever.
And inside your unit, you do have running water.
Yeah, so we have running water. We can't get any hot water, but we at least have running water. But that's currently all we have right
No
now.
heat?
No heat, no power. So like we can't cook, we can't have a nice shower. Like the fridge isn't working. We had to throw out all our food today because we can't keep it cold. We can't keep it. It's all gone bad. It's brighter in there because we got a window, but that's about all we got. So.
What are you hearing about how long it's going to take before things are returned to something approaching normal?
Well, when they first turned the power off, they went, okay, it's just going to be for the day, right? It'll be 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then 8 p.m. rolls around, we get another email, okay, it's going to be till 10 p.m., sorry. Okay, 10 p.m. rolls around, no power. Okay, midnight. All right, I'll just go to bed, we'll have power in the morning. Wake up in the morning. We don't know when we're going to get the power back on. We have to order a part to fix it. It could be, and this is like their best guess, next weekend. None of the units got damaged, so nobody's insurance covers any of it, right? And the city kind of came in, they patched up their pipe in their road, and they dusted their hands at the end of the day and said, job well done. And well, it's not. We're kind of paying for the issue that they had pop up. Personally, I feel like neither the city or the province or somebody should be like helping us out.
The best case scenario you've heard now is this coming weekend. What are your plans between now and then, specifically?
I'm lucky, right? I have somebody who's willing to let me crash on their couch for a few nights, right? Other people aren't so lucky. I know of at least one kind of elderly couple that lives in the building. They don't got anybody, and his mobility scooter was totaled because it was in the parkade.
Okay, that's going to be tough. Thanks for telling us about it, Spencer.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
And thank you for watching Kelowna Now.